When it comes to emergencies, every second matters, and sometimes the most important thing isn't what you do, but how quickly you can do it. That's why where you place an AED is just as important as having one. Imagine someone collapsing in your building. Would people know where to run? Would they lose time trying to find the device or head straight to it without hesitation? The rule of thumb is simple. An AED should be reachable within 3 minutes or less from anywhere in your space. That means thinking strategically about visibility and access. Ideal locations include lobbies, main hallways, break rooms, gyms, or areas near elevators and staircases, places where people naturally pass by or gather. And avoid hiding it behind locked doors or cluttered shelves. In an emergency, the last thing anyone needs is a barrier. Clear signage is just as important. Everyone should be able to spot the AED and know what it is, just like a fire extinguisher or an exit sign. The faster someone can find it, the faster they can help. So when you're choosing a location, ask yourself, if something happened right now, could someone find it fast? Because the AED only works if it gets to the person who needs it, and the right placement could save precious minutes and possibly a life.